Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Central Europe and a neighbor to Denmark, Poland, Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Germany, Germany, Ger, Ma, Ni, Germany. Germany is rich in history, culture, and technology. Known for its contributions to classical music, literature, philosophy, and science, it's also renowned for its automotive industry, with brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Germany, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.